George Erwin Garcia disclosed on Wednesday, April 24, that the representatives of the United States or U.S. Department of Justice and U.S. Department of Homeland Security's Homeland Security Investigations recently visited their office. Garcia explained that the U.S. officials sought assistance from the Commission, such as a copy of the procurement documents.
May ilan kaming tauhan na nag-request sila na ma-interview. Last year pa, madami silang ini-interview requesting for assistance. And we gave full assistance and cooperation to the U.S. DOJ.
The poll chief further said this is in connection to the money laundering case against former COMELEC chairman Andres Bautista in the U.S. It was allegedly confirmed by the U.S. DOJ that indeed Bautista was charged.
Tinanong namin, yung bang na lumalabas sa social media, was it already confirmed that the case was already filed in court?
Based on the information or indictment filed by the U.S. authority in a local court in Florida, Bautista received bribe money from a technology company provider during the 2016 national elections. The company that allegedly bribed Bautista was not particularly named in the court record. However, the description in the affidavit matched that of Smartmatic. The complainant or agent who filed the case also asked for an arrest warrant against Bautista. Chairman Garcia said that he will confirm with the U.S. authorities regarding the matter.
Wala naman ako kino-confirm na in custody. Ang sa akin lang, you don't need anymore a warrant if a person is in custody. So yun ang gusto nating alamin ngayon. I'll get back sa inyo. Definitely. I'm going to ask that particular question to the U.S. authorities on what is now the... Kasi sasabihin ko sa kanila, issue sa amin ngayon, whereabouts.
Dantiamento, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.